Flexible pavements consist of multiple layers that work together to distribute traffic loads efficiently. At the top, we have the surface course made of a bituminous mix, providing a smooth ride while resisting wear and preventing water infiltration. Below that lies the binder course, which uses coarse aggregates and bitumen to distribute loads to the base course, reducing stress on the surface. The base course, made from crushed stone or gravel, offers structural support and load distribution to the subbase. The subbase, composed of granular materials, enhances drainage and prevents frost heave, while the subgrade, the natural compacted soil, acts as the foundation, bearing all the loads above. On the other hand, rigid pavements feature a concrete slab that directly handles traffic loads. The surface course, typically made of Portland cement concrete, provides a durable and smooth surface. An optional base course can add extra support, while the subbase, made from crushed aggregate or lean concrete, ensures proper drainage and prevents the pumping effect. Just like flexible pavements, the subgrade and rigid pavement serves as the foundation, supporting all the loads from the structure above. Each layer plays a crucial role in ensuring the longevity and performance of our roads.